Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, the channel where we break down the world's most exciting motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular middleweight naked bikes in the market, the Yamaha MT-07. Known for its versatility, thrilling performance, and aggressive design, the MT-07 continues to dominate as a rider's favorite. Introduction to the MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07, part of Yamaha's renowned Master of Torque lineup, has earned a reputation as the ultimate all-rounder in the middleweight category. First introduced in 2014, this bike has undergone multiple updates, refining its performance and styling without losing its original charm. It strikes the sweet spot between accessibility for beginners and excitement for experienced riders. Engine and performance. At the heart of the MT-07 lies a 689 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, often referred to as the CP2 engine. This powerplant produces around 73 horsepower and 67 Nm of torque, delivering smooth, linear power across the rev range. What makes this engine special is its 270-degree crankshaft, which gives the bike a distinctive exhaust note and a punchy character. Riders often praise the MT-07 for its immediate throttle response and usable torque, making it perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. Fuel efficiency is another bonus. Despite its sporty character, the MT-07 manages impressive fuel economy, ensuring long rides without breaking the bank. Design and styling. The MT-07 features an aggressive, Street Fighter-inspired design. Its muscular tank shrouds, sharp LED headlight, and minimalist tail section make it stand out on the road. Yamaha has refined its aesthetics over the years, and the latest version showcases a more futuristic look while retaining the naked bike rawness. Ergonomics are another highlight. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and compact chassis make it comfortable for daily commuting and long-distance rides alike. Riders of varying heights find the MT-07 approachable thanks to its manageable seat height. Handling and ride quality. One of the strongest traits of the MT-07 is its lightweight frame and nimble handling. Weighing just around 184 kilograms, it feels incredibly agile, especially in tight city traffic. On winding roads, the MT-07 shines with precise cornering ability and confidence-inspiring stability. The suspension setup is simple but effective. With telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, the bike absorbs bumps comfortably while still offering sporty feedback. Yamaha has fine-tuned the suspension to balance comfort with performance, making the MT-07 suitable for a wide variety of riding conditions. Braking duties are handled by dual front discs and a single rear disc, supported by ABS. The brakes provide strong stopping power, ensuring rider confidence even in emergency situations. Technology and features. While the MT-07 isn't overloaded with electronic rider aids, Yamaha keeps the focus on simplicity and rider connection. It comes with a full LCD display showing essential information like speed, gear position, fuel economy, and trip meters. LED lighting, a modern instrument cluster, and reliable ABS are standard features. Riders who prefer minimal electronics often see this as a plus because it makes the MT-07 a more engaging machine that emphasizes pure riding pleasure. Everyday usability. The MT-07 excels in versatility. For city riders, it's light, easy to maneuver, and has enough torque to glide through traffic effortlessly. For touring enthusiasts, its fuel efficiency and comfort make it capable of long journeys with minimal fatigue. Even for weekend riders, the bike offers enough excitement to put a smile on your face every time you twist the throttle. Maintenance is straightforward and relatively affordable, adding to its appeal as a practical motorcycle. Many riders also love customizing the MT-07 with aftermarket exhausts, crash protection, and aesthetic upgrades, making it a truly personal machine. Price and value. One of the most attractive aspects of the Yamaha MT-07 is its affordability in the middleweight naked bike segment. It offers an exceptional balance of price, performance, and reliability. Riders get the thrill of a twin-cylinder engine and the fun of sporty handling without the hefty price tag associated with higher-end models. Conclusion. The Yamaha MT-07 is a motorcycle that embodies balance. It's approachable for new riders, yet thrilling enough for veterans. With its lightweight build, torquey engine, aggressive styling, and everyday practicality, it has rightfully earned its place as one of the most popular middleweight motorcycles worldwide. If you're looking for a bike that can do it all, commuting, touring, or spirited weekend rides, the MT-07 is an outstanding choice. Yamaha's dedication to refining this machine has ensured its continued success, and it remains one of the best options in its class. This has been Pro Wheelhouse, and we'll see you in the next breakdown of the world's most exciting rides.